Here is Mitali Rai. Today I will be with you for the next 30 minutes and today we will be covering digital electronics. So my content is introduction, number system, logic gate and combinational circuits. So first the introduction. What do you mean by digital electronics? Digital electronics means digits. Means you have to represent analog in terms of digits. Means that is known as your digital electronics. So in digital electronics, the number system is used for representing the information. Information means that will be in terms of on and off. On and off means generally in digital electronics, on is represented as 1 and off is represented as 0. So you have to represent any analog signal in terms of this 1 and 0 digit. So it is a combination of 1 and zeros. So that is our digital electronics. And in digital electronics, one term will come that is known as your base or radix. So this base or radix of the number system is the total number of the digits used in the number system. This is your base or radix. So next is number system. So generally these number systems are, here will be covering these 4 types of number system: decimal number system, binary number system, octal number system and hexadecimal number system. So for decimal number system the base is 10 and for binary number system the base is 2. For octal number system the base is 8 and hexadecimal number system the base is 16. So what are these base and how we have to represent all these number systems? So let's start from decimal number system. What is the representation? First is what is the representation? Representation. The first is decimal, binary, octal and hexadecimal. So in terms of binary, so this one is our binary number system, this one is octal and this one is hexadecimal. The first one here it is our decimal. So in decimal number system, already here it is written the base is 10. So whatever may be the number system, there the base will be 10. In binary number system, the base is 2. In octal number system, the base is 8. And in hexadecimal number system, the base is 16. And the base or radix is the number of digits used in our number system. So first, here the base is 2 means it will be represented as 2 to the power 10 and here it is 2 to the power 2 and here this is 8 means 2 to the power 3, it will be represented as this and here it is 2 to the power 4. So in binary number system 2 to the power 2 means it is 4. So maximum 4 numbers will be represented here, that is 0, 1, 2 and 3. And here 2 to the power 2 means this 2 to the power n is number of bits. So 0 will be represented by 2 bits, that is 0 and 0, 1 will be represented by 0 and 1, 2 will be represented by 1 and 0, 3 will be represented by 1 and 1. So we have to remember all these 4 representation. So using this we have to represent this octal number system and here this hexadecimal number system. So again here the power is 3, 8 means 2 to the power 3. So here n is equal to 3. So we have to represent the octal number system by 3 digits. So in octal number system the digits used are 8 means it will be 0 to 7 means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Okay. So first 1, 2, 3, 4. This will be represented as this same digit means 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0 and 1, 1. But here the number of bit is 3. So we can remember it as like first we have to put 0, 0, 0 here. So now 0, 1, 2, 3 it is over. Then next again we have to repeat this 4 means again 0, 0 and here 0, 1 and here 1, 0 and here 1, 1. but instead of 0 we have to write 1 1 1 1 like this. So this will be our octal representation. Next come to this hexadecimal representation. So here it is 16 means 2 to the power 4. So total number of bits or digit will be n. Bit will be n, and here the number of maximum digits present in this hexadecimal number system will be 0 to 15. 0 to 15 means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. So what happens here? For 1 to 9, this will be common. It will be represented as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. But after that, in place of 10, it will be represented as A. Then it will be B, C, D, E and F. This will be represented as like this. That means it will be 0 to F. Okay. So now how to represent all these numbers? The same, this will be repeated here. How it will be repeated here? So 1, 2, 3. This is 0, 0. This one will be 0, 1. This one will be 1, 0. This one will be 1, 1. Okay. So again this one will be like this 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0 and 1, 1. We have to write in this way. But how to fill these two bits? So first we have to write 0, 0 like this 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Then 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. Then it will be changed as 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0. Then 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. That means first 0, 0, 4 number of 0, 0. Then 4 number of 1, 0. Then 4 number of 0, 1. Then 4 number of 1, 0. Then 4 number of 1, 1. But this term will be same as just I have discussed in this systems. So all these are the binary, octal and hexadecimal system. So what about this decimal system? So here this one is the number of digits are 10. That means this is 0 to 9. So what are the digits? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So what do you mean by these digits present in this number system? Suppose we will take one example in decimal system. Suppose I will take 92. 92. So what are the digits present here? 9 and 2. So 9 is present here. 2 is also present here. So the digits present in this number belong to these 10 digits which are coming under this decimal system. Similarly, suppose I will represent any binary system. So that should consist of 1 and 0. That means all the digits may be 1, all the digits may be 0. That means the digits present in that number system should be 1 or 0. Similarly, what about octal number system? In octal, the digits are 0 to 7. That means suppose I will take 721. That means 7 is present here, 2 is present here, 1 is also present here. That means now this will come under octal number system. If we will take 821, 8 doesn't belong to this digits present in this octal number system. So here we cannot convert it into any system. So next, similarly under hexadecimal number system, the digits are 0 to 15 and 15 is our F. So if we will represent any system in hexadecimal system, all the digits should come under all this 0 to 15. Otherwise, it will not belong to this hexadecimal number system. So all these are the representation of decimal, binary, octal and hexadecimal system. So next, here it is already written the base of a number. For decimal, the base is 10 and the base will be represented as here. Okay. And the digits are like this. For binary, this hexadecimal 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, A, B, C, D, then F. And for octal number, these are the representation. Next is conversion. This is all about representation, how to represent all these number system. Next is what will be the conversion? So first is decimal to binary. First is decimal to binary. So decimal, here it is written 14. Decimal system means the base will be 10. And we have to convert it into binary system. Binary system means the base will be 2. Binary. Bi means 2. 1 and 2. 2 digits will be there. So here the base, let this one is x. So how to convert this decimal to binary? So first this is 4. We have to divide it by 2. You have to divide it by 2. Here base is 2 and this base, this we have to divide it by this base. So this one will be 7. This one will be, then the remainder will be 0. Then 3, the remainder is 1. Then 1, the remainder is 1. And then this one will be, after this, this is coming 0. This is coming 0. So now how to write the, decimal, our binary conversion. So here we have to go in this way. That means this one is the MSB, that is our most significant bit, and this one is our LSB, this is least significant bit. So we have to go in this way. That means here I have to write what? First 1, then this 1, then this 1, then this 0, and here the base is 2. Here the base is 2. So what is the value of x? That is 1 1 1 0, base is 2. So in this way we have to convert from decimal to binary. So next is binary to decimal. Just the reverse. How to convert binary to decimal? So suppose here I will take 1 1 0. 1 1 0. So in case of decimal to binary we have to divide by 2. And here we have to multiply by 2. 2 to the power 0, 2 to the power 1, 2 to the power 3. All these are the positional weightage. Means this is present in this position, means this is the 0 position, 1 position and 2 position. So here it will be 2 to the power 0, 2 to the power 1 and 2 to the power here 1. So 2 to the power 2. So 1 into 2 to the power 2, 1 into 2 to the power 1 and 0 into 2 to the power 0. Then we have to add all these bits. This means this will be equal to 4 plus 2 plus 1. So this one will be 7. Okay. So now what is the base here? This is your binary representation and here it will be our decimal representation. Base will be 10. So in this way we have to go for multiplication. Means here 1 1 0 1 1 0 1 1 is written here. The weightage of this bit will be 2 to the power 0. So we have to multiply this. These are the positional weightage. What is the position? This is 0th place. This is 1st place, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th place. So we have to multiply with their weightage. Means 1 into 2 to the power 0, 1 into 2 to the power 1, 0 into 2 to the power 0. Like this we have to multiply. Then we have to add all these values. Then we will be getting the answer is this much. This is the answer. This is the binary side and this is the decimal side. So next is decimal to octal conversion. So decimal to octal. So decimal means suppose here I will take 21. And here this is the decimal representation and I have to find out what is the octal representation of this 21. Decimal means base is 10, octal means base is 8. So previously I have already told, now I have to go for division. Means I have to divide 21 with this base value means 8. Okay. So like this I have to go for division and again in the same way this one will be the, I have to go in this way. Okay. So one example is already written here. This number is 4330. Here 8 divided by 8. So remainder is 2. Here remainder is 5, 3, remainder is 0 and this one is 1. So we have to go in this way. Means this MSB to LSB. So answer is 10352, 10352, and here the base is 8. So this is our decimal to octal conversion. Next is the reverse one, means octal to decimal conversion. Octal to decimal conversion means again I have to go for the multiplication with the positional weight, means here it is written 2754. So what is the position of this 4? 0. Position here is first, this one is second, and this one is third. These are the position, first, second, third and 0th position. So I have to multiply all this value with their positional weightage. That means here I have to multiply with 8 to the power 0, 8 to the power 1, 8 to the power 2 and 8 to the power 3. Means 2 into 8 to the power 3, 7 into 8 to the power 2, 5 into 8 to the power 1, 4 into 8 to the power 0. Then I have to go for addition. I have to add all these values. So already here it is written 4 into all these values are here, and after adding we will be getting 1516. After addition I will be getting 1516. So this is the octal to decimal conversion. So here the base will be 10, and as this is the octal number, here the base will be 8. So this is just the reverse. Then next is decimal to hexadecimal. Decimal to hexadecimal. In the same way, one decimal number will be given. Suppose here 2545. This is the decimal number, means base will be 10. We have to find out what is the equivalent hexadecimal number. Let it is x. Hexadecimal means the base will be 16. Okay. So now again we have to go for the division, means 2, 5, 4, 5, and we have to divide with which value? The base value, means 16. We have to divide it with 16, and then we have to note down what are the reminders like this, what are the reminders, what are the reminders, and then I have to go in this way, means from MSB to LSB. So already it is written here. The last one is 9. This one is 15. Already I have told that in hexadecimal representation there will be no term as 11, 12, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Respectively, they will be represented as A, B, C, D, E and A. So 15 will be represented as F, and this one is 1. So final answer will be 9F1. That is hexadecimal, means this one is 16. So here x will be equal to 9F1. So this is the decimal to hexadecimal conversion. Next is hexadecimal to decimal conversion. Next is hexadecimal to decimal conversion. In the same way, from decimal to hexadecimal we have to go for division, and from hexadecimal to decimal we have to go for multiplication. Here 1A is written, 1A. All these are the digits belong to hexadecimal. So here the base is 16. We have to find out what is the equivalent decimal number. Base is 10. Again we have to go for multiplication. 1A. So its position is 0th position and its position is first position. So here we have to multiply it with 0 to the power 0, and here we have to multiply it with 0 to the power 1. Then we have to add all these values. So here A, we cannot multiply A with 2 to the power 0. So what is the value of A? Here what is the value of A? A is 10. So here 10 will be multiplied with 2 to the power 0, and this 1 will be multiplied with 2 to the power 1. Then we have to add these values. Just like here it is written, 1 will be multiplied with 10 to the power 6, that is 16. 10 will be multiplied with 10 to the power 0, that is 10. After adding we will be getting 26. So what is the decimal representation of this 1A? That is 26. Base is 10. That means here this x is 26. So this is the hexadecimal to decimal conversion. Next is binary coded decimal. binary coded decimal, that is our BCD. That is our BCD. So in BCD, binary coded code for decimal digits. So in BCD we have to represent in 4 bits. We know that 0 is 00, 1 is 01, 2 is 10, 3 is 11. So here we have to represent by 4 bits. That means 1 is 0 is 00, 1 is 01, 2 is 010, and 3 is 11. Another 2 bits are required. So here we have to put 00000000 like this. So in this way we have to represent to this number up to 9. That is our BCD representation. So the weight values are 8, 4, 2 and 1. This is about our BCD. Then these are some examples from decimal to binary, decimal to octal, decimal to hexadecimal. You can do this example by your own. Similarly, these are other examples from binary to decimal, octal to decimal, hexadecimal to decimal. Again, you can do these questions by your own. Next, binary to octal and hexadecimal conversion. So, how to convert? If binary number will be given, how to convert it into hexadecimal or octal number? Suppose you can take that example 101101 is the binary number. So one way is you can convert this binary to decimal, and again you can convert that decimal to octal or hexadecimal. Or we can take, means suppose here I have converted this 2 base to 8 base, means binary to octal. So in octal, what are the number of bits? 3 is the number of bits. So I can pair up it like this. Each 3 bits means these 3, and here as only 1 is present, I can add another zeros here. But addition of 0 in the left hand side of this digit will not affect to this number. So now this 010 is our 2, 011 is 3, and this one is 1. So our answer is 132 and base is 8. Similarly, in case of hexadecimal, when we will convert it into hexadecimal number, we can pair it up by taking 4 digits. That means 1011010 is here. This is our binary number. We can take this 4 like this, another this 4 by adding 0 here. So like this. So this will be our A and this will be 5. So our hexadecimal representation will be 5A and base is 16. So this is the shortcut way for this conversion. Otherwise we can convert this binary to decimal, again decimal to octal, binary to decimal, again decimal to hexadecimal. So now in the reverse way we can convert hexadecimal or octal to binary number system. So in the same way, suppose 132 base is 8 is written here. So we can represent this 2 by 3 bits, 3 by 3 bits, 1 by 3 bits. Okay, because it is octal. Similarly, if hexadecimal will be there, 5A, we can directly write A by 4 bits, 5 by 4 bits, and combinedly we can write what is the answer in binary system. So for today, for this much for today. So in the next class we will continue with fractional numbers and logic gates. If you have any queries, you can contact me on my WhatsApp number, that is 9778719239. Thank you.
झीटीए तो माटी आम सामाजिक और पारिवारिक जीवनर मूल कथाटी से माने आगकू गले आगकू जीव संसार आम झील मैंने आ पुओंकठू पछरे नाहांती एबे तो बदली गलानी समय बदली गलानी जुग से झील माननकू आहुरी आगकू नहीं आत्मनिर्भरशील और स्वावलंबी करने ओडिशा सरकार सुदक्षा योजन सरकारी आईटीआई माध्यम संपूर्ण मागणार जोगई देउछंती सबु प्रकार उत्कृष्ट मानर वैषयिक ज्ञानकौशलर तालीम। एबे आम झील रहिबे सबुठू आगरे सबुठू उपरे।
मु सफल, मु कुशली, मु सुदक्षा।